Do you know how to fix this? I bought this. I actually talked to your guy. He said I should come, that he's coming. I don't know. I want to put SIM card, and I want to also put memory card. But I've tried putting the SIM card, but it's not showing the SIM card. Yes. So and I want to put memory card. So I just pack everything like that. I said let me come and meet you people to help me fix everything, then configure it so that my children can use it. So I want to video everything you're doing.
Is it, do you open it from?
Yeah? You don't even know how to open it. Are you serious? Ah, you professional that I came to meet. Are you sure you know how to do it?
Yes.
Okay. You send us in.
Ina jin kai. Ina jin kai.
Za ka iya.
Yeah, but in the tambaya.
Guda biyu ne zai shiga ciki?
Ina dai layi.
Eh?
Layi ne wani abu.
Daya ne. Yeah. Daya ne nake so ya shiga.
Bari mu yi rubutu da shi. Wannan din za ka yi.
Can you imagine? I was trying to fit this thing inside. It's not going in. No, I'm not.
It was when I not saw you had a
No, it's not. No, I can't video your face.
Ya share.
It has come in. Oh, where is it? Can you please do it again? Please. I tried pushing this thing. It's not. But let me really.
Let me remove so that.
Please come close so that I see how. Remove everything. Remove the way it was before. Yes, exactly.
You just
So-
find a flat surface.
You're teaching me, so
You find flat surface. Then
okay.
you put this one first. Then you put this other one. Then you press it so that it will lap.
Okay.
You see it.
Yes.
Then you put it like this. Push it. Just push it inside.
Very well.
Very well.
Oh, sorry.
Yaramalira ne.
I'm not seeing.
You have to make sure the thing lap. Malira don't just push it to enter inside. Wow. Kasan yake sim ne. Wani guri zai lafi, wani guri sai ya ɗago.
Maybe wannan gurin da nake na samu don matsala shine na yi kwasa.
Ok to. Za ki iya sakawa da kai. Baka ko wannan na kamfani?
Ba juyawa za ka yi ba? Ko aka yi?
Daidai ne. Haka da suna shiga.
Ya shiga yanzu ai. Kaga matsalar da na nan ya samu kenan.
Kin ga matsalan ba?
Eh.
Nan ɗin da ya taso ne kuma haka danna nan sai nan wani guri kuma ya taso.
Okay.
So sai ya yi balance gaba ɗaya. Ya yi balance sai ya tura shi. Ya share shi. Sai ya yi flat.
Flatten sosai.
Ya sai an yi an riga an yi yanka shi.
Okay, so ka kawo mana Ghana ne ai. Money point.
Tare da silver card.
In ba iya ba zan biya ai, zan dinga biya kaɗan kaɗan. Ni staff din shi ne.
That's 3. Shi wannan bai da wahala da yake flat ne kawai. Kuma yanki sa ya ji tura shi ke nashi. Yanki sa sai ki restart ne shi. Ya ma nuna.
go. Cause open up more. That's one thing I got.
Yeah, my new SD card ejected.
Eh?
Actually, let's your file manager.
But well, no. Okay, put over.
Chicken
Yeah? I don't know. This is what I've been trying to fix. Now I'm here. It's fixed. You can see that it's blurry. The camera is trying to get it.